Kardom Don Marley Ilitum Karbia Khe Farman Puthot Isining Karong Abirta Pini Labangso Video Long Naltum Fan Nangthan Bachanik Po Nasinaltum Labangso Video Kijut Online No Naltum Stamening Arong Pigji Labangso Abirta Kemi Lam Thegi Puhenlo Kedam Tang Arni Ason Thak Thak Puthot Pininga Sengkan Sitami Matel Tum Kopai Kimi Karbining Kan Kimi Arni Mate 1 February Arni Dilhi Rong Sukpi Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya Long Mate Labangso Asai Hemalong Chicago Open University USA Hinpen Sar Bolram Phangchua Khaifan Doctorate Degree Anong E Pajirpon Labangso Doctorate Degree Anong E Alang Liphan Ki Pajirpon Ki Alang Li Ajir Dinklui Pen Mena Khaipen Chenglok Kaprek Akhe Farman Ki Mesena Sai Ki Claim Pon Thega Job Chicago Open University USA Hinpen Kaiding Pia Farman Doctorate Degree Anong E Pajirpon Lasi non pen ke alang liphan Dr. Bolram Phangchu Usi ilum kado ko isitame chini ponpo lasi kijutsi alang li Sar Bolram Phangchu Karbia Khe Farman nongme ke ban thega pot alang li kai ansusi paprang dum thegje phan rana malong sitame hirdume hang pilo lapen kibang jilangani sitame som thak si Khe Farman puthot nongme wanik po pusining theponlo.
Namaskar, I am Bolram Phangchu. I from Karbi Anglong, Assam, and I belongs to Karbi community. I am very happy that Chicago Open University has invited me to receive doctorate award. I would like to thank Chicago Open University that they has choice to give social activist to a simple person by the grace and blessing of Gurudev Lakhoning-ti and Parampita Parameswar Lakhimon. I am eligible to protect my religion, culture, and got opportunity to associate with different social activities and qualified me to receive this award. Pertinent to mention here that I have received Sargadev Sarbananda Singha Award 2023 in the year 2023 awarded by Assam government. Sri Sri Badala Ata Seva Samman 2024 awarded by Majuli Kamalabari Satra and India Icon Award 2024 by Global Excellence Forum, New Delhi. Lastly, very much overwhelmed and thankful again Chicago Open University to make me able to receive this prestigious award. Thanks a lot.
Puthatalang liphan labangso channel hinpen kurbang thupajirlo dome thakme Kardom